Hello everyone and welcome to my Tech Simplified Data and Cloud, your go-to channel where we break down complex concepts in technology, data and cloud computing into small practical lessons you can understand and actually apply. Um, in this video, we'll be diving into data or cloud. We are not diving into data or cloud yet. Instead, we are focusing on something that is just as powerful for career growth, which is LinkedIn. And so I'll be sharing my LinkedIn. Yeah, so this is my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. So let's talk more about LinkedIn. Now, here is the truth. LinkedIn is no longer just an online CV. LinkedIn is not an online CV. It is the biggest professional networking platform in the whole world. Now, to me, it's more bigger than Facebook. Now, people we have on Facebook, they are unprofessional peoples you meet on Facebook. But LinkedIn, you meet professional networking, whereby you can connect with different people in different fields, with over 1 billion members on LinkedIn. And the kind of content you should post there, any any content you are posting there can easily open door to opportunities of which you do not expect, from job offers to speaking engagements to collaboration and the likes, via your content that you will be writing on LinkedIn. Now, but the question is, how do you actually write a LinkedIn post that grabs attention? How do you actually write a LinkedIn post that gets engagement? How do you write a LinkedIn post that gets you positioned as a thought leader? That is exactly what I'm going to break down. And that's exactly what will take your LinkedIn post more higher for you to be able to connect to people in the world. Now let's talk about why LinkedIn posts fail. It's very important why most LinkedIn posts fail. Now, most LinkedIn posts fail because people write like they are writing a report. Like you are writing a report, you are sending to your manager, you are writing a report, you are sending to your boss. It's quite different. This is a networking place where senior managers, the directors, the CEOs, the junior data analysts, everybody where they meet. This is where they meet. This is where they gather to share their different connections, their different network, their different content. So generally, while you are writing, don't just write as if you are writing a report, or you'll be writing like a too formal. You are writing too formal, as if you are writing a letter. So LinkedIn is professional. LinkedIn is professional, but it is also a storytelling platform. So there was a time if I show some of my posts. So there was a time I talked about my transitioning from accounting to um my transitioning from accounting field. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, from accounting boost to Azure Cloud, my journey of data, tech, and impact. So it should be quite different, as if you are just writing a book. Now, look at the impression: 1019 impressions, and still going, still counting. The impression is still counting, it's still going. So, whenever you want to write your LinkedIn post, you just don't write LinkedIn post as if you are writing a formal letter, or you are writing a report, or you are writing a proposal. It's quite different. So it's just as if you are writing a storytelling. Now, this is my channel's TV content. Now, it has see the way it has been written: breaking barriers, preparing Nigerians for digital economy. writing it appropriately with the tag being written over there. Yeah, so that's the first thing, because the way you write it, people want to connect with you the way you are writing it. Now, from this context alone on Channels TV, I have, like, some people have connected with me unexpectedly, of which I did not even expect, just from this content. So the first principle is this: write like you are speaking to a colleague or a friend at work. On this LinkedIn platform, we have boss, we have bosses, we have boss of bosses. So you meet different people, you are connecting with them. Let employers keep noticing you and keep notifying you about your content. Let them know you for your content. You can get employed via your content you have been writing. So the next one is, you need to understand the structure of a good LinkedIn post. So now, the first thing that under this content, under this, the first line you are going to write must grab attention of people. Look at it: breaking barriers, preparing Nigerians for the digital economy. That is first LinkedIn. That is first line that is grabbing attention for people. I'm delighted to share I will be featured on Channels television. For people even seeing Channels television, it will attract them. Likewise, the message you want to send, or the insights you want to share about your experience, should be real value that you are giving and likewise, at the end with something that encourage people to comment or share their own thoughts. Now look at the end. I said, I look forward to an engaging section and to inspiring more Nigerians to embrace the possibility of the digital age. This is an engagement, an ending engagement. Don't forget, the first thing, your first line must grab the attention of people. Likewise, your content must be given. Likewise, the last one, your ending statement must people should be able to engage with or want to comment with it. So now let me tell you about content ideas that always perform well on LinkedIn. The content ideas that always perform well on LinkedIn. One is what? Share a lesson from your career or a project that you have worked on. Now, so I think I have written that before. I've written that before on one project I've worked on. On one project I have worked on before. I think on yeah, so I have this, guys. I have this. So this is one of the projects I have actually worked on before. So look at the first line. I recently completed an end-to-end data analytics project provided by Marvin Analytics. At the end, the ending engagement. This project enhanced my technical skills in Power BI, DAX, and data storing, while deepening my understanding of transport analytics and service optimization. I'm open to collaboration on mobility, infrastructure, or public service data project. Let's connect. Can you see? This is an ending engagement. Now, I'm telling people, okay, let's collect, let's interact, and let's share new ideas together. Now, your lesson or your content you want to share must be from your career or a project that you have worked on. Now, second thing is that what? You want to break down a complex concept into your field, into something simple. So someone coming into your field, they will see your content, and they will really understand, comprehend, and gain more knowledge from your content. Likewise, talking about challenges you face and how you have overcome them. So these three are very, very important. Now, the most powerful posts are not the one where you just show off, you show your picture, post those image about it. They are not the most powerful one. But the most powerful one are where you share your value and authenticity. It's very, very important. And remember, these are what people don't engage with perfection, they engage with real stories. Engage yourself with real stories and real lesson. Now, so another thing is that you need to know about LinkedIn's post is consistency. I can perfectly tell you, when the first time I ever posted something on LinkedIn, I had the phobia. The phobia was there. I don't wanted to talk before, but I remember something that what LinkedIn rewards people who show up regularly. You keep posting every time. Even two posts per week, or just one post per week can make a huge difference in your visibility. It's very, very important. So another thing also is what your formatting matters. Your formatting matters. Don't write long paragraphs that look like essay, like too much of things. That I think this one is okay. So you break your content into short, readable lines of which people can actually see. And most of the time, it's always well more preferable to ensure you tag the appropriate people on this platform. So I'm still going to explain one of the benefits of you tagging online. Why are you tagging? You say one of the benefits. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to write a very lucrative LinkedIn post. So you go to your home, you see start a post, under the start a post, click on it. Now. So this is where you are going to write your post, and this is where you add your image. Guys, don't come here. This is where you add your image, your media. Now, how do you write it? Now guys, look at this prompt. So for anyone looking at it, this prompt is generally for a data analyst program by some people. So you say write a LinkedIn post announcing the state of a data analytics, right? So it's just like you are asking ChatGPT. So I'm teaching you how to effectively use AI to make your LinkedIn post. So indirectly, you don't have directly or indirectly, you don't have any skills out there. So what are you going to do? I'll copy this. I'll copy this. Yeah. So that AI can write it for me. I'll paste it. I'll submit it, and let's wait for AI to bring out so okay, let's tell AI to write it. So I'll tell AI say kindly write on the above. So I'll submit it. Let's see. Yeah, so we have this, guys. So I'm excited to officially begin my data analyst program with the Rotary Club of Isolo under the leadership of President Alima Adediran. Over the coming weeks, I will be learning and practicing with tools like Excel, Power BI, SQL. Now this is one. Now likewise, instead of this, you can tell ChatGPT to do two things. Yeah, what are you going to do? Kindly help me add more to the what? To the post. Are we there? Comma. Add more tags. Are we there? Now, so guys, so what is the meaning of tags? Now, the meaning of tag is that, for example, now, so I'm going to show you on LinkedIn now. So you add more. I want ChatGPT to add more to it. You're adding more tags to it as well, and also I want you to give it an heading. Give an appropriate heading for the post. Now let's see what we have. Now can you see now, guys? Can you see the heading? Beginning my data analytics journey with Rotary Club of Isolo. So it has written it perfectly for you. Now, so most times I always want you to add more and more of tags, but I think this one is fine. So what are you going to do next, guys? Now ensure you copy it and go back to your LinkedIn under the start post out there and paste everything. Now when you paste it, it's your duty to start arranging it effectively. How will you arrange? Now, beginning my data analysis journey with Rotary Club of Isolo. Next, let there be space. Come here. Next, let there be space. Out there. So you come here again. Let there be space. You come here again. Let there be space. And you come here again and you end it with this. I think that's that. So let's check the post perfectly. Okay, I'm excited should be in another line. Okay, so I think this is how it is. So now how we add? Now how we tag? So now the purpose of tagging on LinkedIn is very simple. Now let's assume that you want to post something and you don't really have much more friends. What are you going to do? Tag me. That means most of my friends on LinkedIn will see and comment likely on your LinkedIn post. Out there. So now this is it. Now let's see how we tag. Now let's look at Olados Ibrahim. How you tag. Now the sign or the symbol for tagging on LinkedIn is what? At. Can you see? If you call on this at, it's going to bring out my name, Olados Ibrahim. Now click on it, it will turn to red or it will turn to black. So that means you have automatically registered for this word, guys. For this for tagging Olados Ibrahim on LinkedIn. Out there. So you cancel this. Now the lead instructor don't need to be tagged, only the name we are tagging. Now the next one also is what, guys? Is what? Now you come here, you will also tag at Suberu Nurudin Adewale out there. So this is how you tag on LinkedIn. This is how you write an effective LinkedIn post using AI or ChatGPT. And then the next thing is that what? There are some times of which you need to add picture to it. Now let's assume that you want to add picture to it. How will you do that? You come to find an image, go to image and pick any video of your choice you want it to be. Well, so I think that is how to write an effective LinkedIn post. Then select anything you want to add to it and it's going to automatically add it. Don't forget, I explained how to tag. So tagging is one of the most important thing on LinkedIn. You must be able to know how to write your LinkedIn post and tag appropriately. Yeah, so thank you guys. So sorry guys, so after that, click on post and then your post will become live. So thank you guys and see you on my in my next video. Thank you.